3, 2, 1, here we go. Newstead Wood School. Practice test 6, subtest 4. 6 minutes for 12 questions. Normal rate for Newstead. Think of it, 30 seconds a question. Here we go. Find the correct code and mark its letter on your sheet. Every single question you can pause, have a go, and then unpause the video, and then I will go through it. Step 1, I've taught my students you need to find 2 letters that are the same. E, E. Look at the rectangles. 4 each. Nope. Look at the triangles. They're both facing up. Then you've got to check the other feature, F. Triangle facing that way. G. Triangle facing down. So, looking at this one. F. Triangle is facing that way, so F should be that. Now, top letter, A, B, C, D. What is different among all of them? Let's see. Sometimes I really like this feature. If there's a letter that is different among all, then we find it. Let's think. Now look at the rectangles. They've all got 4, so it's not that. Bold in some places. Nope. Now, something else that I can think of is the overall layout. Can you see? Rectangle here, 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 there. Well, so what? Well, look among your choices. Which one here is in that layout? And there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the only thing I can see, and that's what we get with these tough Newstead questions. The fact that the rectangles are bold, it doesn't matter. C. CF. Tick. Question 2. Same thing, guys. Same thing. Pick 2 letters that are the same. H, H. Look at these 2. What are the same? The shapes? Nope. The lines? Nope. The recycling sign? Yes. Color doesn't matter. The recycling sign is in that same position, so that's what H means. If we look at this, top letter means recycling symbol will be like that. And J, it just means it's the other way. So we know our top letter will be G. How nice. That chops off everything. Oh gosh, that's a bit lucky. So maybe some questions in Newstead, they're being nice. Once that happens, you quickly pick A, you move on, okay? That's the skill. Who cares about N? You move on, questions 3 to 12. This is a video. Let's work out anyway. Bottom letter, K, L, M, N, all different. So, what is different among all of them? We've already looked at the recycling sign, so it must be the shapes. They all look kind of different. But there's no big circle there, so it might be the line. L is down, M across, diagonal, and no line. So here, diagonal. They've just gone with N. So that means, you see that feature, I couldn't spot right now. Does it matter? Is it like a curved shape? And maybe it's got a circle somewhere. So one shape is circle. Then, yeah, rectangle, triangle, pentagon, and there's a circle there, so it looks like that. It could be. But you see, that's the thing. It doesn't matter what N is. That's the answer. You know what? I'm not going to be lazy. Let me just check the mark scheme just to make sure. Okay, guys, here's the proof. Here is the proof. Paste. There. The top letter codes for the orientation of the circular arrow. I just said that. It's just the recycling sign. So G. Now the bottom letter, which is something I didn't think of, the number of intersections. Fascinating. If we look at K, that's 0. L, it is 2. No, 3. M is 2. And that is 1. We look at this 1. Wow, what a reason. That is so specific. Bottom letter is the number of times the line crosses the shape. I just thought it was the line. There we go. A is the answer. Question 3 and 4. Same first step. N, N. What do they mean? Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. So top shape should be the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. L 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. L is the top letter. Cross off. Bottom letter. Two letters are the same. They're being nice. P, P. We have not looked at the black or the white dots. They all have 4 dots each. Doesn't matter. It is the layout. Layout here. 2 blacks this way. So diagonal blacks, and here, look, R means the 2 blacks on the right, 2 whites on the left. There we go. There we go. And this one just the other way. Oh, so R, L, R. Tick. Question 4. If you see this kind of question on the real day, it's totally fine to skip it. I've done a few of these because I had some extra practice in doing a rip-on paper. If you are one of my students, I might have sent your parents a copy of this. It's just a harder version of the Newstead paper because it's just more questions. It's at a different grammar school. It is totally okay if you skip it, but I think I know how to look at this. Don't even waste your time. Counting. It's going to be the same. It's a Newstead paper. Of course it's going to be the same. Black triangles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, is 7. And white is the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is nothing to do with it. So what's left? It's focusing on each row, each column. So if we look at RR, so they're telling us there must be a row or column where it is exactly the same layout, or else these are almost impossible to do. Look at the top row. It's not the same. Black, white here, white, black, black. No. How about middle row? They're the same, but what a problem. S is the same. No. See? They want you to get this wrong. It's a joke. Look at the third row. Black, white, and here white, black, white. Nope. And bottom row, black, white, black, and here black, white, black. So it could be bottom row, but then look here. Look here. Well, S could be white, black, and here white, black, white. So it could be that. All right. So then S and T would be different. Okay, so that's one option. Now we go for, well, column, you see. Maybe we go column as well. Not sure. Look at the first column. Here, not the same. Not the same. They're the same. So it might be the third column. That is the same. And look here, third column, different, S and T. So what am I trying to say? If you look at that third column, looks like it's T. It's T. Oh dear. So they might be out. And now we know bottom row. Look, UVWX. What are they telling us? Well, we've just done third row. Nope. Third column is the same. So if we look at this, maybe third row is all different. Let's have a think. One of the rows might be all different. I guess so. V. Yeah. So that's how these work. If they're being nice, it'll be like you spot the row number, which is different. Third column is different. So third row. There we go. So if you are not confident how I explained it, do not worry. Skip this straight away. We've got other questions to do. Why did I go through it? Because it's a video, so I want to explain. We're 8 minutes in. Let's hurry up. Question 5, last one, then I'll break this down into another video. Top B. What's in common here? Number of triangles, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope. If they're being really mean, it might be number of triangles on one side compared to the other. Let's not assume that. Number of circles, 1, 2. Nope. So BB, what else? It might be the line. Same length of line? Yeah, maybe same direction. First one. It's a little bit more diagonal. Okay, well, so what, William? So what? Well, that one's just a tiny one. It's almost straight. It's almost straight. C. Cross them off. How nice. Now, if you're running out of time, I tell my students, you quickly pick one, you move on. Just try to spend about 30 seconds on each question. Move on. There's a lot to do. Now, look at the bottom letter. Look at the bottom letter. FF. count something. Who knows, mate? Who knows? Triangles. Why not count them because there are more of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that matches. If you quickly count the circles, 2 here, 3, 4 there. So no, it's the triangles. It's the triangles. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So find the 4 one. Dun 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 dun. E. E, just to make sure. Dun 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 dun. 5. So there we go. 4 C E. There we go. Good. That's it for now. 10 minutes in. So let's break this video down into 2 sections. We've just covered questions 1 to 5. My next video that I will release will cover the rest. Questions 6 to 12. Got to break it down. My normal way. My normal way to end the video. No, this is just a continuation video. So I'm just going to put one recommendation, which is the video. That way. In the bottom left will be questions 6 to 12. Watch it once I've released it. Thank you so much. See you next time. Oh yeah, it is 00:35, so it's midnight. 00:35 on the 10th of September 2024.